What the sum of the cosine x to the power of 8 and the sine x to the power of 8. Take the tan inverse of the given equation and we have that 2 times x equals the tan inverse 1 divided by the square root of 3. It implies that 2 times x equals to 30 degrees. Divide the equation by 2. X equals half of 30 degrees, which equals to 15 degrees. Substitute in the given expression and we have that the sum of cosine x to the power of 8 and the sine x to the power of 8 equals the sum of cosine 15 degrees to the power of 8 and the sine 15 degrees to the power of 8. Simplify the results in radical form and we obtained 97 divided by 128 after substitution of values and simplification. Therefore, the sum of the power of 8 of cosine x and the power of 8 of sine x equals to 97 divided by 128.